Our suite of Estes shipping tools makes doing business with us even easier. And our appointment research tool is built to give you quick access to appointment details and transit milestones, so you can easily verify your shipping performance, resolve chargebacks, and protect your business. To get started, be sure to sign in to your Estes account, as the tool's features are only available for logged-in users. Then select the Appointment Research tool from the Track menu. From here, you can search for a shipment using the Pro number or another reference number. To return results, you'll need to be a party to the shipment. If you're a party but not the payer, you'll still have access. You just won't see any charges displayed. One of the key features in the Appointment Research tool is the ability to download your results as a spreadsheet, so you can review important data points across multiple shipments at once. The spreadsheet shows whether an appointment confirmation is available. The appointment confirmation document can include screenshots of an appointment portal or email threads between Estes' appointment clerks and the consignee. We also make it easy to view all of your search results by expanding all and sorting by column. The timeline view gives you a clear picture of important transit milestones, along with the full appointment history. The data view combines transit events and appointment details in chronological order and includes helpful reference numbers, so you can understand exactly what happened and when. Once the bill of lading or delivery receipt becomes available, they'll appear within the data view with their creation dates and download options. You can also generate an appointment research certificate. This certificate consolidates all shipment, transit, and appointment information into one easy-to-share file, perfect for reviewing and resolving chargebacks with confidence. Be sure to check out our appointment research tool and try it for yourself by logging into your Estes account. Don't have an account yet? Sign up today. At Estes, going the extra mile isn't just what we do, it's who we are.